I'm Dan Antonelli. I'm an estate attorney here in New York City, and today I'm going to talk about the frequently asked question, what is a kinship hearing? A kinship hearing is a trial where the court determines who the heirs of an estate are. And this typically arises when a person passes away and there are no close relatives who step forward.
The public administrator of whatever county that decedent resided in will become the administrator of the estate, and they will collect the assets, determine the debts, and they file what's called an accounting.
Essentially, the PA is asking the judge to approve their accounting and the proceeds be deposited with the Commissioner of Finance. At that point, if there is an heir who comes forward, they could file objections to the accounting. Those objections basically say, Judge, don't allow the public administrator to deposit this money with the Commissioner of Finance. Direct the public administrator to give it to me because I'm the heir. And then you have the opportunity to gather the evidence that's necessary to prove your case. Sometimes it's hard to find these records. You can hire a professional genealogist, and that person will go and find the records for you. The genealogist will take their own research and then testify as to that research. So they'll be an expert witness. They'll be called to the stand, and what you want them to say is they've done this exhaustive search and the only heirs that they've found are ideally you. But ultimately, it could take a long time. It could take several years, and very often what we see is that the total time from the date of death till the date that the funds are paid could be many years. It could be 5-6 years, because you have these families who are very distant from each other. Sometimes no one knows that the decedent has died for a long time. And then when they find out, it takes a long time for the public administrator to get appointed. And then the whole rest of the way, the administration of the estate, the accounting, the trial, and resolution could take a number of additional years. So it is a very long process.